How can I locate my Verizon account number?
Hello there. Today, we'll be discussing a commonly asked question among Verizon users. How can I locate my Verizon account number? It's an important piece of information, especially when you're looking to make payments, upgrade your plan, or even switch carriers.
What is my Verizon account number?
Your Verizon account number is a unique identifier assigned to your account by Verizon. It's different from your phone number or any other information associated with your account. This number is very crucial when dealing with any Verizon services or representatives.
Where can I find my Verizon account number?
Verizon account numbers are not as readily available as some other information, but don't worry. Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can locate it. Step 1. Log into your Verizon account to find your Verizon account number. You'll first need to log into your Verizon account. This can be done either through Verizon's website or their mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Go to Account Overview once you're logged in. Look for and click on Account Overview. This will take you to a summary page of your account where you'll see information about your current plan, billing details, and more. Step 3. Find the account number on the Account Overview page. You should be able to locate your Verizon account number. It is typically listed at the top of the page or in a section titled Account Information or Billing Information. Make sure to note it down or take a screenshot for future reference.
What if I can't find my account number?
If you can't locate your Verizon account number online, you can also find it on your Verizon billing statement. The account number is typically listed at the top of the statement. In case you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Verizon's customer service. They will be able to provide you with your account number after verifying your identity. And there you have it. That's how you can locate your Verizon account number. Remember, this number is important for managing your account, so keep it somewhere safe. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides like this.